In this video, I'll show you how you can fix input delay in League of Legends. First thing I suggest you do is you search for League of Legends, right click and open file location. Then do it again and you should get to the right client services. Right click and go to properties, compatibility, check disable full screen optimizations. Then go to right games, League of Legends, find league client.exe and do the exact same on this one. Check disable full screen optimizations. Scroll up, find game, do it on the exe file here as well. So check disable full screen optimizations and then find it on your desktop if you have it and do the exact same. Once you've done it on all four, check if this works. If it doesn't work, try and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh space winsock space reset. And we're not gonna restart now, we're gonna do that later, but just do this. Then try and search for view network connections. Right click on your network and go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4, double click, use the following DNS and try and use this one, 8888.8844. Press OK and see if that one works. Now, if this still doesn't work, you should try and reset your network. So search for network reset. Reset now and this will restart your PC. If this is not working, you should try and reset your router inside of your house. So just find it and unplug the power for a few seconds and then plug it back in. Now I also saw some people having the issue because of Vanguard. So you can come here, apps and features, search for Vanguard and uninstall it, and then try and open your right client and find League of Legends, and it should have an update, and the update is basically just reinstalling right Vanguard. So see if that works. Otherwise, the last solution is you should try and call your internet provider and make them do a test and see if your internet is running as it should. And usually this should also help fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.